Children, this is another question I am taking for the conversion of one system of unit to another. Question is, find the value of 100 joule on a system which has 20 centimeter to 50 gram in half minute as fundamental unit of length, mass and time. मतलब एक सिस्टम में जो सिस्टम आपको दिया उसमें आपको दिख रहा है कि ये जूल एसआई सिस्टम की यूनिट है और उसकी न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू भी है हमारे पास। तो एसआई सिस्टम में जो फंडामेंटल क्वांटिटीज़ होती हैं वो एमकेएस सिस्टम की होती हैं, यानी 1 जूल इज इक्वल टू 1 किलोग्राम मीटर स्क्वायर सेकेंड टू द पावर -2। तो ये फंडामेंटल यूनिट्स इन्वॉल्व होती हैं एमकेएस सिस्टम की एसआई में। आपको कन्वर्ट करना है इसको 100 जूल को उस सिस्टम में जिसमें लेंथ है कितना 20 सेंटीमीटर, मास कितना है 250 ग्राम एंड टाइम हाफ मिनट। तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल what you will do, joule is the unit of energy, so 1 joule is equal to this, so the dimension of work is equal to what, m l square t minus 2 unit आप देखिए kg means m, meter square means l square and second is to the power -2 t to the power -2. Now compare this dimensional formula with this m to the power a, l to the power b and p to the power c. So a, b, c are the dimensions of work in mass, length and time, 1, 2 and -2. Now take the SI system. In the SI system, m1 is equal to what, 1 kg, see, and l1 is equal to what, 1 meter, and t1 is equal to what, 1 second. Okay, now in CGS system, in this condition, m2 is equal to what, see, this is 250 gram, so what you will write, 250 gram. And what is L2, 20 centimeter, 20 centimeter. And what is time, T2, half minute means 30 second. Okay, and here in this condition the value of n1, this is what, 100 joule, so this is 100 and you have to find out the value of n2. Okay, how, see, we have a formula, n2 is equal to n1 m1 upon m2 to the power a, L1 upon L2 to the power b and T1 upon T2 to the power c. Okay, now substitute 100 and this is what, m1 1 kg and this is what, 250 gram to the power a 1, L1 1 meter and this is 20 centimeter to the power 2 because b is 2, and this is 1 second divided by 30 second to the power -2. Now solve it. When you will solve, how, this is 100, 1 kg means 1000 gram divided by 250 gram power 1. 1 meter means 100 centimeter, 20 centimeter to the power 2, and this is 1 second divided by 30 second, so 1 upon 30 to the power -2. Clear? Gram and gram cancelled out, centimeter centimeter cancelled out, so what you will get, you will get 100,000 upon 250 into 100 upon 20 and c, 1 upon 30 to the power -2, so reciprocal of it is what, 30 to the power 2. Now solve it. When you will solve it, you will get the value 100 into 4 into 5 square into 30 square, and when you will solve it you will get 9 into 10 to the power of 6. Okay, so this is the value you have got in new system, that is N2. So this is the method you have to adopt for these kind of questions.